The concept of blockchain is confusing for many, and when it comes to understanding what it's all about, there aren't a lot of dependable, unbiased sources. Blockchain Infrastructure Research provides independent, reliable research on all things crypto with a focus on mining infrastructure. Blockchain Infrastructure Research conducts in-depth research on aspects of the cryptocurrency market that relates to miners, performs energy market research in support of facility location selection, provides regulatory framework analysis in support of new mining operations, offers mining hardware research in support of mining hardware selection, and gives coin and token reviews in support of profitability structures. Specializing in cryptocurrency mining infrastructure, Blockchain Infrastructure Research, expert independent analysis of the cryptocurrency mining industry.